Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well and good. Today I will be discussing about a banking system and how does it works and the function and how that is earnings only giving and receiving of money. Banks, some banks are private and some banks are established by the governments or the states. Private banks or state banks. State banks are a function to perform uh, stable the money launderings or a money launderings on a country, and that is perform the function in the order of a government, and that a normal person cannot open accounts on a state banks that is working for a country developments, and their function is different from the private banks. If we are see private banks, on which a local person or a normal person can open a on accounts, and that can receive and sending of money with the help of internet, with the help of banking websites or a banks systems. That how that is earnings, that is earnings only. Most of the earnings are interest basis. People are deposit money on a accounts, and bank takes a reserves about a some percent, 5% or 10%, and further money that is spendings to a investment, and that is giving to a loans to a peoples or a or investments in a businesses or some other institutions. And as to demand of a customers, banks are returns to these own to these money, and that is a very beneficial for a local persons, and that is a helpful for a employees of a banks. Banks is a not a owner, that is a employees of a customers. Customers a owners, that is a working performs is a pair and buy, and checker and buys, and banker are provided the facilities of a credit card, debit cards, and check facilities. Uh, Today we cannot ignore the importance of banks. Banks are well established, and that is developing days by days, and most of the people are using the bank services to enhancements on performance, and less times to consuming to sending or receiving of money, and most of the businesses and every business are using of a bank's transactional bank systems. Banks are established in every city or every popular places, near every popular places. Uh, Most of the banks are established in a near of the bazaar, and people can easily deposit or withdraw money from a bank systems. Thank you.